Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I got a hug in a box. I got this from Irene Hough. She's a YouTuber. I got to meet her, actually we all did, from the Dolly meetup in St. Louis last August. What a treat. She has sent me a hug in a box. I did open this part of it, but I did not open the actual gift. I opened this when the UPS man came because I did not know what it was. I took it this far. Isn't that pretty? What a nice bag. Look at that. And it says, enjoy your gift. I hope you can use this and that it will make your life in your doll world a little easier. From Irene Hough. Thank you so much. Irene actually lives in the same state I do, and I'm hoping to see her again when I go to her town, which we do, not very often, but we do from time to time. I'm hoping to take her to lunch. Oh, wow. What a nice gift. Look at the tracing paper she sent me. I am always in the window tracing patterns. This is so nice. Wow, 75 sheets. That should hold me a while, Irene. Thank you so much. This is so kind. And like I always say, it really is. It's like a cyber hug in a box when someone sends you Happy Mail. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.